Mastering the phrase, adjust the flame. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's common in both everyday conversation and in specialized contexts like cooking. Adjust the flame. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English fluency but also illuminate its practical applications. So, let's fire up our learning and dive into the details. Adjust the flame is a phrase that primarily finds its home in the kitchen. It means to change the intensity or size of the flame under a pot or a pan while cooking. This adjustment is crucial as it affects the cooking temperature, and consequently, how well the food cooks. A high flame might cook food quickly or even burn it, while a low flame might be perfect for simmering or gently cooking the ingredients. Beyond the kitchen, adjust the flame can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it means modifying the intensity or level of a situation or an activity. For instance, in a discussion or debate, adjusting the flame might mean calming heightened emotions or intensifying a lukewarm argument. It's all about finding the right balance in various situations. In everyday life, you might hear or use this phrase in different contexts. 1. Cooking. As we discussed, adjusting the flame on your stove to suit different dishes. 2. Workplace. Managing work pressure by adjusting your pace. Neither too fast to cause burnout nor too slow to miss deadlines. 3. Relationships. Balancing emotions and reactions to maintain harmony in personal interactions. To master the usage of adjust the flame, consider these tips. Context is key. Understand the situation before you use the phrase. In a literal sense or a figurative one, the setting will guide your usage. Observe and practice. Listen to native speakers or read literature. Notice how the phrase is used and practice it in your daily conversations. Experiment. Don't shy away from using the phrase in different scenarios. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. We hope this exploration of adjust the flame has ignited your interest and understanding of this versatile phrase. Whether you're turning down the heat in a heated debate or ensuring your pasta is perfectly al dente, this phrase is your companion for striking the right balance. Keep practicing, and soon, adjusting the flame in any situation will be a breeze for you. Happy learning, and until next time, keep the flame of curiosity alive.